Hey everyone, and welcome back. In this video, I'll walk you through setting up your own Slack workspace on the free plan for inviting your team to organizing your first channels. First, go to slack.com and click Create a new workspace. Enter your email address, and you'll receive a confirmation code. Next, you'll name your workspace. This is usually your company or project name. You'll also pick a unique Slack URL for your team to use. Once you're in, it's time to invite your members. Click Invite People to your workspace name at the top of the left sidebar. You can enter their email addresses directly or copy and share an invite link now. Let's get organized with channels. Channels are where all the conversations happen. On the sidebar, click the plus next to channels. Create your first channel. A good start is #general for announcements and a #random for casual chats. You can make channels public for the whole team or private for specific groups. To customize your workspace, click on your workspace name in the top left. Go to Settings and Administration, and then Workspace Settings. Here you can add a workspace icon and set default channels for new members. Finally, you can personalize your notifications and status in your own profile to let the team know when you're available, and that's it. In just a few minutes, you've built the foundation for your team's communication. If this helps you get your team organized, let me know your workspace name in the comments. See you in the next one.